So today's Monday, and I'm gonna do a what I wear in a week. But I forgot to film in the morning, so you'll probably see some clothes first, and then me talking right now. So I only have one class today. This is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking just this off-the-shoulder top, and then these jeans. And then for accessories, I'm just gonna do this cute little necklace, and then this ear piece ring. Not ring. This ear, like, cuff. And then for shoes, my options are kind of limited, so probably just these babe shoes that I have, or these shoes, my Concord's. One of these. Okay, so this is my outfit. It's just pretty simple. I got this off of Taobao. I got these from home. And then my necklace. And I also have the earrings. Like that. So yeah. I'm gonna go to school now. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, this is the bag I'll be bringing to school today. Usually I would have this bag, but since I only have one class, I felt like this one would be a little bit better to use. Oh, and if you couldn't tell already, this is a Uniqlo bag. And then for my shoes, I decided on my Concords because they match better than these ones. Also, just take a moment to see how distorted this mirror is. Like, what the heck? It gives me such body dysmorphia. I hate it so much. I think I have this, so I think I might wear this. I put this together like randomly one time, but and then for pants, they're all like crunched under here. I need to get some I have some organizing things coming, so this will no longer be like this soon. Which reminds me, I bought more things off of Taobao when I told myself I'd stop. But yeah. But yeah, I just bought some things that I kind of needed though, like some things for my closet. I needed to organize my pants and stuff like that, so I bought like things to do that. And then I bought a shirt. But I didn't need it, but like, you'll see. So I have like a lot of scars and bug bites on my legs, so I'm always so self-conscious to wear any like skirts or anything, but maybe I'll try and wear one tomorrow. I have these leg warmers that could hopefully cover up my bug bites and like scars that I have on my leg, so we'll do that. Again, for the skirt, I have a few options here. The first option here is this. The only thing about this skirt is that the back, it's kind of short, so you can kind of see these shorts. So I might not wear these, but it looks really good with the fit itself. So next one is very wrinkly, but it's like a skirt. It's just like that. Doesn't really match this, so I might not wear it, but it is really cute. Okay, the other option is this here, and again, doesn't really match, so I think I'm gonna go with the first one. And tomorrow for shoes, I was thinking either these Nikes or these, or like these new ones that I have that I bought for Halloween. Okay, so I was thinking this outfit with these shoes, but I don't know if I should do just these shoes or wear the leg warmers with it. I'll see you tomorrow and see if I actually end up wearing this. I decided to wear the fit. I don't have my shoes on right now, but yeah. I actually think I might go without this because it's a little hot and it's kind of like restricting, so it's still cute outfit. And I'm wearing shoes in the house, I know, but I haven't worn these out yet, so it doesn't count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니 초등학교 영어 수업 시간에 배웠었던 현재 진행형 같아
I just got home and I picked up my packages, and then I have to go back to school to prepare, like study for math. But I'm gonna change out of my outfit because I'm feeling a little bit more comfy. Because when it comes to math, I have to be comfortable or I'm just gonna suffer even more. Okay, actually I'm not going because I have way too much homework, like for other stuff that I have to do now. But this is my like fit right now, my coming home from school fit, because I am so tired. Like literally it's just sweats, tank top. It's so hot right now. And I just realized I wasn't actually recording, but I just got back from school. I didn't have time to like talk about my outfit, but I just wore my Uniqlo bag since I only had one class. This shirt is from my friend. She did this part. I took it from her because she said she didn't want it anymore. And then this is from Taobao, the belt. This is from school. I just got it and added it. These cargo pants I thrifted from New York, and then I was running late, so I just had to put on these Air Monarchs. And that was my fit for Thursday. And then so tomorrow I was thinking this shirt and then these pants. For shoes, I'm not sure yet actually. These are both from Taobao. Yeah. If you want the link, let me know. I'm thinking just these shoes. They go with everything basically, so I think I'll wear these. But then tomorrow we have a Halloween carnival thing. And I'm gonna be something very basic. I'm gonna be a fairy, kind of. So this is the outfit for tomorrow night. The dress is backwards, but this is my breakfast: yogurt and then a Costco chocolate muffin. Yay! I'm so excited for this. I've been waiting for this since last night. So this is my outfit. I decided to wear this necklace instead. And then these. And then I gotta go because I'm running late. But yeah. got my muffin at home, so I'm like heating it up right now. But I think it's better this way because I love it when like the Costco muffin is warm and the chocolate's all melty. But yeah, I'm gonna open my packages right now. But I'm listening to Jungkook's new album, so I don't want to get copyrighted. So I'm like in the kitchen making sure like the music can't be heard. But yeah. So this is my outfit. I'm a fairy, as you could tell, or something. I don't know, I was gonna wear these, but it kind of covered, so we'll see. But yeah, this is it. I got like no videos. Let's do it now. Yes, so busy. Door damage. Whole plate to myself. This is some of the best salmon sushi I've ever had, and this is my last one. It's so creamy, it's so good. But it's my last one, so cheers. Okay, so today all I really did was stay at the dorm and study, so I don't really have a fit, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed doing it because I love fashion and like putting clothes together. So yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Subscribe. 아침이 많아 자식